Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons on your watch. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings we need to find the option called the sound and vibration, and tap on it. And here we need to scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you will see the option called vibration intensity. Tap on it, and here we have two levels of vibration intensity. We have enhanced and standard. Select the one you like, and then you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.